All right, here is a little tour of the Haven Suites on the Norwegian Escape. We are right here at our private pool. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. How pretty is this? And then wait until you see how close we are to our room. We're gonna come over here, come down this little hall, and we are right here. So cool. All right, check this out. We have a 2-bedroom suite. So you come over here and they can actually even serve dinner right here from the restaurants. Every day we'll have whatever snacks we want. They set you up with whatever drinks you want, unlimited alcohol. We have our water and our specialty teas and our little espresso maker that I'm never gonna use. This is actually a pull-out bed. We have our little desk over here, TV. Then we come into here. Here is the master. We got a TV. Wait till you see his little desk again. Wait till you see this bathroom. Oh my gosh. We have, hey, look who's here. Oh my gosh. We are currently in at Port Canaveral. But how cool is this to take a bath or a shower with a view? That is insane. So here we have our walk-in shower with a view. Got our little soaps. This is really cool. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I guess it's the toilet. There we go. We've got some storage. And then we have a second bedroom somewhere. Where's the second bedroom, John? Back here? Hey, John. All right, here's the second bedroom with a desk, another TV. That is a pull-out bed. There's also another bed that comes down from the ceiling. And a closet. And their own private bathroom as well. Ow. And a shower. This is super cool. So this is what the private Haven Suites are on the Norwegian Escape. And I am going to end it with an M&M because my nails are so gorgeous and you have to see them. And that is the end of our tour.